Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be doing a product review of nail stampers that you can purchase from Shopee. This first stamper that I will be showing you is from Beauty Big Bang. It's a dual-headed stamper. So the bigger one is a little bit soft, and I noticed that there's no stickiness to it. The smaller stamper is firmer, but there's also no stickiness. This rectangular stamper is also from Beauty Big Bang. It's actually the firmest out of the bunch. This unbranded clear silicone stamper is actually softer than the ones from Beauty Big Bang. This one is another unbranded clear silicone stamper. It's the most firm out of all the clear silicone stampers so far. Next, we have this rhinestone silicone stamper. It has two stampers. One is a marshmallow one that is super squishy and very sticky. It's like suman. The clear silicone stamper that came with this set is the softest among all the other clear stampers. It also has a slight stickiness to it. This is a pink marshmallow stamper, and it's super squishy. There's also no stickiness at all to this particular stamper. This next stamper is like a stamper pen. It's the stamper that comes with a small gradient sponge. It's a little squishy and slightly sticky. This next stamper is a bunny stamper, and it has a white marshmallow stamper inside that's super squishy and also sticky. This is a Aurora stamper. So it's a clear silicone that has glitters. It's super squishy and slightly sticky. Before using your new stampers, wash it with dishwashing liquid and let it air dry after rinsing. My stamping plate is from Fab Your Nails, Fun number 20. My stamping polish is PK Rose Black, and this is my scraper. Before stamping, I always clean the stamper with a Scotch tape to make sure there's no other debris stuck to it. Using the Fun Plate 20, I pretty much got an image from all the stampers. So I repeated the process using a stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang. I also primed the stampers with acetone before using them again. Here are the images I lifted from both stamping plates for all the stampers. For this review, the best stampers for me are the Rhinestone Dual Stampers and the Aurora Stamper. A close third is the Bunny Stamper. The clear jelly stampers need a bit more priming than the others. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and stay safe.